All right, let's see if we can get this toilet out of here. This old head, it's a, I forgot the name of it. Crittenden, something Crittenden Junior. Forgot where I found the name of it before, but anyways, it is past its prime, to say the least. I don't have the appropriate wrench to get these bolts off, but we're going to go ahead and give this a go. I'm not dressed like this so much for the toilet. I got all my wet weather gear, or my rain weather gear, not foul weather, but I had it on because it was pouring outside a few minutes ago, and I decided to keep it on in case I need to go back outside. Probably really just need to get, I probably really do need my, you know, let me get a wrench. Problem with, well, I can't imagine this is, no. The problem with cheap tools is that they don't, especially wrenches, they don't always fit well. And I suspect that's what we're doing here. I think this toilet is made in England. Could be wrong about that. So what I'm saying is that they should be, there we go. These bolts, I suspect, are metric. These wrenches barely fit. Okay, 2 down. Let's see if I can get to the back side. I've never used this head. There's no holding tank. Oh, that's a better fit in the back here. There's no holding tank, and so I have no. It's leaking. That sucks. This is kind of what I was afraid of. I don't know what's in this standing pipe. You can see this out and to the through hull. No idea what's in here. Probably isn't much. You can see this is nasty, but it's empty. But there's definitely something leaking out here. Yeah, terrific. This board is rotten. This is you can't buy repair kits for this anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm sure it was built really well. I think it's cast iron. Anyways, let's see what I can do. Okay, well, instead of trying to get under there and get all these bolts, I'm not sure what you can see here, but I have to get under here where the nuts are, under this platform, which it's coming out anyways, and so we'll just go like that instead. not only the heavy component of this whole assembly. Toilet itself wasn't too bad, but this pump, oh boy, that thing's heavy. Okay, so I needed to replace this anyways. It was falling through. This down here, this bulkhead, this bulkhead is borderline rotten. This is definitely rotten. This is rotten. This is gonna have to go. You can see all that. Anyways, so we'll take that out. I'm gonna take this anti-siphon out, and then we'll just take it all off the boat. So. Okay, so let's hope that this pipe actually has no water in it. I guess I'll open that up. I don't know if that's above the water line or not. I suspect it is not, actually. So we'll probably have some water coming out. Look how nasty these pipes are. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get this just in case. Okay. Well, that's cool. Okay, so that's off. I'll go ahead and disconnect here. I'm not going to mess with this. I may try to rescue it, but I'm not going to mess with it. We're just going to pull it right off here. Actually, I'll take this off, separate this, and maybe even this the anti-siphon, and we'll leave the rest of it and just dump that into a bag. So. Okay, I got the head out. Let's go ahead and have a look. You see how dirty and nasty it is back there. But one thing I did decide to do, because this through hole is very low below the water line, and it's so it's just kind of in the way here. I mean, meeting with foot traffic and such. If you bring this up, the boat's gonna flood. So I decided to rescue this. This is the freshwater intake for the head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and reattach that, double clamp it, and then run it up along the side here on the bulkhead. I'm not sure where exactly, but just run it up so that it's above the water line, and so that there are no mishaps. We don't have to worry about it, at least for the time being. I'll figure something to do with this. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly. I don't plan on putting another flushing head in here. Not right now anyways. I'm thinking like a very do-it-yourself composting head. So it may be that these through holes are removed altogether at some point, but for right now I'm just not even going to worry about it. We'll get to that. One thing that's interesting is this. You can see that this is loose. It's not leaking at all. I tried to tweak this down, but that didn't work. I don't know if there's something in there that I've got to do, but it's the only one that's kind of loose like that, and I don't like it. So I gotta look into that and find out what I can do. But otherwise, let's go ahead and get this this piece installed here, and then maybe just do some very general cleaning here, not much, because I think this bulkhead eventually, this forward port bulkhead, I think is fairly rotten at the bottom, along with all of this. So it'll probably come out. I'm gonna have to inspect it a little bit more. So, anyways, that's where we're at.